Hi, I am glad we are back for this tutorial series. In this session, we will learn how to create a change page theme using Axure RP. So let's get started. Welcome to my screen, guys, and please, if you want to use the design here, it is fine. The link is provided in the description below. Just click on the link and download it, or you can also use your own design. It is also fine. So to get started, I designed two different pages, the day and the night. Let me preview the day so that we can see. Okay, this is the day page, then the night. Let me preview too. Okay, this is the night page. What I want to do is when the user click on the day here, the day button here, the page should change to the night page. And for me to achieve that, I will select everything and then create a dynamic panel. Okay, then open the dynamic panel and add a state. Okay, so I will go back to my night design, then copy everything, copy it, then paste it in my state 2. Okay, so now I will do the interaction so that when I click the day button, it will change to the next page, which is the night. To do that, I'll be doing the interaction within the dynamic panel so that it can work. So I will select the button here, then go to interaction, new interaction, click or tap and set state panel. So I will take dynamic panel. I want it to go to the next, state 2. Okay. Then I want it to fade also. Then I'll come here to enable cases. Okay, then let's say I will give it a name. Let's say switch. Okay, and add logic. Okay, is selected of this widget, which is the button here. Okay, so this widget, because I want when I click the button, it should switch to the next page. Okay, so this widget and then equal, then the value to is letter of dynamic panel. Okay, so let me preview so that we can see if it's working or not. Okay, guys, it works. So when I click the day button here, the page is switched to the next. So I will do it for the night page too. To do that, I will go to state 2. Okay, then select the night button and then select the night button, then new interaction, click or tap, set state panel is on. Okay, so I want it to go to state. It's already on state 1. I want it to be on state 1, then fade, and I'll come here to enable cases. It's the same thing. You can just do copy and paste for the night button too. Okay, so it's selected off, then this widget. Okay, then next the value is selected off dynamic panel. Okay, then okay, so let me preview, then we can see if we are doing the right thing. Okay. Okay, so it worked, guys. This will be all for this tutorial. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.